In this video, let's discuss USDJPY price analysis. From this very point, I still believe that the market is going to move upward. Okay, there is a upward movement for USDJPY. We can see a little bit of move downward and market will still move upward. And Euro USD right here, market is going to move upward, not aggressive move. Market is going to move upward, create a new high, and then come back down for good correction. All of these in this very video. Watch this video all the way to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading, and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video. Subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other Forex content. On the USD JPY chart, market is going to move upward. Okay, there is a possibility of market coming back down a little bit and then move upward. That is my projection. Market can come back down, but that does not mean that market is going to come back down, finally creating a new low. I am not expecting market to create another new low from this very point, although everything can happen in the market. So my expectation right now is for the market to move upward, although we can see this little move downward, and then market will begin to move all the way to the upside. And the main chart I am looking at right now is the 1 week chart. So if you look at the 1 week chart, something very different from what we're seeing on the 1 day chart is right here. Look at it. Market grab liquidity from this very point of important support right here. So we see liquidity grab at this very point. Look at this spike at this very area, and market is expected to move upward, and this movement is going to be a retracement of this impulse before market is going to come back down. And remember, this is a 1 week chart, so it will take a long time for market to move upward, and then before market will begin to move all the way to the downside. Not only that, if you take a look at the stochastic RSI indicator right at this point, you see the market is already at oversold condition. So market at oversold condition right here mean that there is a potential buy opportunity that's going to come into the market very, very soon. And that is what you need to pay attention to. Now, if you look at history from this very point, you see markets here enter into oversold condition. When market move out, market begin to move all the way to the upside. The same thing happened at this very point. When market enter into oversold condition, look at it at this very point, the market begin to move upward. This is very, very important. So what I am looking at is for the market to move upward on the long time on USD JPY. Market should move upward. So for the fact that the 1 week chart is pointing upward and market is going to move upward, I am looking at the 1 day chart move in that direction. Although we can see a mini retracement on the 1 day chart, that means, like I said earlier, market can come back down a little bit and then still move upward, come back down, move upward. But the high side, market is going to move all the way to the upside for a buy opportunity in favor of the USD. And if you look at the stochastic RSI on the 1 day chart here, you see the market is moving upward already at overbought condition, but there is no crossover yet at this very point. So what that means is this market still have capacity of moving all the way to the upside, creating new highs. And that is what I am personally expecting right now on the 1 week chart and on the 1 day chart. So on the long term, market is going to move in favor of the US dollar. That means on the long run, look for buy opportunity on the USD JPY 1 day and 1 week chart. And on Euro USD right here, you see the market is moving upward gradually. I made mention of the fact that market is going to move upward. Look at it, market move upward, impulsive move, retracement, market impulse, retracement, impulsive, retracement, and right now is an impulsive move. But this very impulsive move is not going to be long compared to what we see right at this very point, because market need to retrace, and we need a good retracement for all of this move from this very point of important support all to this very area. Market should retrace before continuation again all the way to the upside. So what you need to look out for right now on USD JPY is for the market to move upward a little bit, creating a new high, then we will see the market begin to come back all the way to the downside. And if you look at the stochastic RSI, market is already at overbought condition, and a crossover has happened, which means there is a high tendency that the market is going to from here move downward. And if you look at this chart very well, you see the market has created a new high, just a very little high right here. And also there is a possibility of the market moving a little bit upward, then come back down. So pay attention to all of this right now on the Euro USD 1-day chart. And if you look at the 4-hour chart at this very point, it is covered that the market is coming back down, but the market on the 4-hour chart is showing us that the market is going to move upward. So from this very point, market move upward, we have retracement, market move upward, aggressive drop, market is going to move up a little bit and then come back all the way to the downside. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now. So for us to confirm that market is going to move down on Euro USD 1-day chart, we need to see the market break out of key levels. And the first level you need to pay attention to right now is this very level of support right at this very point. So market need to break this level of support right here for us to confirm that market is going to from here move all the way to the downside for good correction before the next move upward. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now on your chart. So USDJPY, it is not best to take any trade around this very area. And if you are in a buy position all the way upward, look for exiting your position around this very area of resistance or a little bit above that before the market is going to move down all the way for a correction. And for USDJPY, look for buy opportunity. There is a clear buy opportunity on the 1-week chart, and that buy opportunity is going to play out on the 1-day chart. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. And if you've not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this very video. Check it out and do your registration right now. Thanks for watching.